Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chef Hiro, and here's Chef Mike. Thank you for being my YouTube channel. Today, we have a great announcement.
Absolutely. We are happy to announce Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef will be doing consulting for professional restaurants. Whether you've been in business for 10 years or just starting your brand, we want to be a resource for you, utilizing the 30 years from Chef Hiro-san, 20 years from myself, working in this industry, as well as through the channel with branding, content development, social media and advertising, down to recipe developments and standards and procedures. We want to be a resource for you wherever you may be in your business and for your team. We look forward to hearing back from you. If you'd like to reach out in regards to this, please check out the link below or shoot us an email.
All right, finally made it to Costco. And last time we were here, Hiro, they didn't have this Wagyu.
Yeah, unfortunately, they didn't have it last time, but today I hear somebody say Wagyu here.
Right.
Yeah, so we try.
Look at this, right in front.
Okay, so sitting here.
Beef ribeye steak, boneless per pound, $80 per pound.
And tuna?
Wow.
No.
It's a roll.
That one's the thick one. Now look at this one. This is 3 pounds. $80 a pound, so you have your $181. Pretty thick, huh? About 1.25 inches. Marbling looks actually really good. Oh, that one's really...
It's a New York.
That's in New York, huh? Yeah. I'm just looking at the price here. It says about $79.99 a pound, but looking over here, it's all $59.99. So $20 off. It doesn't really say there's a sale here. No idea that was here. We just heard that they were going to have Wagyu one of these days. Before it used to be frozen in the frozen department, but now this is all fresh. Okay, Hiro, so we got to pick a New York here.
Yeah,
it's $11.99 a pound.
Yeah. So this has a kind of regular steak.
Okay, what are you going to get?
I think I will get this one. But
Oh my goodness.
Look at the price.
Hiro, this is kind of I don't know. You know about that number? How do you know about that number here?
Yeah, I can tell to the people who do this way. 99 cents. How about that?
I don't want to pay that price, though.
Okay, so discount I'm gonna check on the $66.66.
Okay. All right. All the goods inside. Okay, this is the day that we're going to see how much we can pack inside here.
Clean out
side to side, with the mountains within, pour sweet lullabies in my ear. We've got a rich life to remember, the ambition to spend it high. Can you lend me a hand while I strut on this land? Come on, lover, don't pretend that I'm not enough. Get me high and let me die. Come on, make it new right away. The change is in the air. Get us out of here. Oh, make it right.
Beautiful tataki that you made. We have here, of course, the Wagyu at $60 a pound, and this is actually $12 a pound. All right, enjoy.
Okay, I go with the regular one.
Okay. We're gonna do a comparison. It's a worth $60 a pound.
Especially when you eat the food in this environment. Extra.
So this I'm gonna tell you, this is a choice cut. So definitely more chewy on my end that I can taste. You know, the taste is wonderful actually, but just is more chewy.
Not that bad, right?
$12 a pound though, it's not bad at all, you know? All right, let's try the Wagyu. Cook that a medium rare. It looks like a medium rare because of the color already. Wow. That is so good. That is so good.
This is,
If you guys never had Wagyu, you guys got to try it. It's almost like eating pork, like a fat piece of pork. You know, Hiro?
the Wagyu is very pinky.
Very fatty. This I would go for all day long. You can't eat that much of it.
I think a Wagyu, if I do cook the way like a steak, to me it's very greasy.
Yeah,
I can't eat it too much.
sure.
But this will come with a ponzu sauce.
Yeah.
How they call it, the vinegar stuff, make a kind of refreshment or something. I can eat a little bit more than steak.
Okay. But definitely Wagyu, huh? Wagyu over this other piece of meat that Costco sells, which is a choice cut of New York. Enjoy, guys. Splurge a little bit. You got to try these once in your life. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is Jordan.
What's up?
What's your name?
Chris.
Chris.
Jared,
all right. They were walking by and saw the car and wanted to ask a couple questions, right? You guys are Z fans?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what do you guys think? Interior is beautiful, huh?
I mean, it's really nice. Does
Oh,
this
yeah.
car have loud exhaust?
No, not really.
Brand new car smell, huh?
Yeah.
Suede Alcantara on the seats.
You have a channel yourself? No, huh?
No.
Know a lot about cars.
Heated and cooled seats too.
Thanks, guys. Nice meeting y'all. Look for yourself on YouTube. All right.
Thank you.
All right, Hiro-san, we are making a what today?
Oh, I'm going to make a beef tataki.
Beef tataki, okay.
Yeah, with Wagyu beef and regular beef.
Okay, very good. Let's start.
Okay.